Hey guys, I'm Justin Boggs, the co-founder and chief revenue officer of Marketplace Valet. We have been an Amazon seller since 2006 with over 400,000 reviews as a seller. I'm here to help you learn about Amazon, solve problems, and answer common questions. Today's video is about how to send inventory to Amazon FBA warehouses. Let's get into it. If you are following along from my screen, we'll cover how to send inventory to Amazon FBA warehouses. This process ensures your products are stored at Amazon's fulfillment centers and are ready to be shipped to customers. First, log into your Seller Central account, navigate to the inventory section in the burger menu, and select Manage All Inventory. Find the product you want to send to Amazon. Click the drop-down menu next to the product and choose Send Replace Inventory. This will direct you to the shipment plan page where you'll begin setting up your shipment. Start by setting your ship from address. Enter the address from which you'll be sending the products to Amazon's warehouse. Next, you'll need to create a packing template. This includes details such as the master carton size and the number of units per carton. This step helps Amazon process your shipment more efficiently. After setting up your packing template, provide any prep details if necessary. This includes instructions for preparing your products, such as labeling or packaging requirements. Specify the total number of boxes you're sending and review your shipment details. Once everything is correct, confirm the shipment and proceed to print your shipping labels. Don't forget to print the FN SKU labels and affix them to your products. These labels help Amazon track your inventory properly. And that's it. By following these steps, you'll have successfully sent your inventory to Amazon FBA warehouses, where Amazon will handle the rest. If you have any questions, feel free to check us out at marketplacevalet.com, like and follow us for more helpful Amazon content. Thanks for watching this video.